Your heart listens, not only to your emotions, but also to what you breathe in, sip, and taste. And one small, fragrant leaf may be offering it more support than you think. Let's explore the heart-healthy secrets of rosemary. Modern life, with its constant demands and fast pace, often puts a strain on our hearts, both physically and emotionally. We juggle responsibilities, face daily stressors, and sometimes forget to nurture our well-being. This can lead to increased blood pressure, irregular heart rhythms, and a general feeling of being overwhelmed. But what if the answer to supporting your heart's health was closer than you think? Rosemary, that fragrant herb many of us grow at home, is more than just a culinary delight. It's a natural powerhouse packed with compounds that can gently support your heart health, circulation, and emotional balance. For centuries, rosemary has been revered for its medicinal properties, and modern science is now confirming its traditional uses. It's a gentle, natural way to give your heart the love and support it deserves. One of the simplest ways to enjoy rosemary's benefits is by making an infusion. Simply steep a teaspoon of fresh or dried rosemary leaves in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain the leaves and enjoy this aromatic tea. Drinking a cup of rosemary infusion daily can help improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and promote a sense of calm. It's like a warm hug for your heart. Adding rosemary to your cooking is another delicious way to support your heart. Rosemary contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your heart from damage. Use it to season roasted vegetables, grilled meats, or even add a sprig to your soups and stews. The possibilities are endless. Not only will it enhance the flavor of your meals, but it will also provide a boost of heart-healthy benefits. The aroma of rosemary is known to have a calming effect on the nervous system. Inhaling rosemary essential oil, or simply rubbing a fresh sprig between your fingers and inhaling the scent can help reduce stress and anxiety. Stress is a major contributor to heart problems, so finding natural ways to manage it is crucial. Rosemary's aroma can be a simple yet effective tool for promoting emotional balance and reducing the burden on your heart. Rosemary has been shown to help regulate blood pressure. Its compounds can help relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. This can lead to a reduction in blood pressure and a decreased risk of heart disease. Studies have indicated that regular consumption of rosemary can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. We truly appreciate your support. Thank you, and now, let's keep going. Good circulation is essential for a healthy heart. Rosemary can help improve circulation by strengthening blood vessels and promoting blood flow. This can help prevent blood clots and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By enhancing circulation, rosemary ensures that your heart receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. An irregular heart rhythm can be a sign of underlying heart problems. Rosemary has been shown to have a stabilizing effect on heart rhythm. Its compounds can help regulate the electrical signals that control the heart, promoting a more regular and healthy heartbeat. This can help reduce the risk of arrhythmias and other heart rhythm abnormalities. Think of rosemary as a leaf that whispers to your heart, offering gentle support and encouragement. It's a reminder that nature provides us with powerful tools to care for our well-being. By incorporating rosemary into your daily routine, you're not just adding flavor to your life. You're nurturing your heart and promoting overall health. Rosemary contains compounds like rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and carnosol, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Rosemary also contains compounds that can help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. These scientific findings support the traditional uses of rosemary for heart health. Place your hand over your heart and repeat this affirmation. My heart is strong, healthy, and filled with love. I nourish my heart with nature's gifts and embrace a life of balance and well-being. Feel the warmth and love flowing through your heart as you connect with its innate strength and resilience. Remember, taking care of your heart is an act of self-love. By incorporating rosemary into your life, you're embracing a natural and gentle way to support your heart's health, circulation, and emotional balance. You deserve to feel vibrant, energized, and full of life. Start today by adding a little rosemary to your routine and experience the heart-healing benefits for yourself. Now is the time to prioritize your heart health. Embrace the natural power of rosemary and experience the difference it can make in your life. You have the power to nurture your heart and live a life filled with vitality and joy. What are your favorite ways to use rosemary? Share your tips in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Pass this video along to someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health inspiration every day.